Welcome back to Conversation to Close. I'm Sean, and today we're diving into one of the most critical skills in real estate wholesaling, analyzing deals like a pro. If you've ever felt unsure about how to evaluate a property or worried about overpaying, this episode is for you. We're going to cover how to calculate ARV, estimate repair costs, and use the 70% rule to make sure your deals are profitable. Let's get started. First, let's talk about ARV, after repair value. This is the estimated market value of a property after it has been fully renovated. ARV is the foundation of deal analysis because it determines how much the property will sell for once all the work is done. To calculate ARV, you need to look at comparable sales, also known as comps. These are properties that have recently sold in the same area and are similar in size, condition, and style to the property you're evaluating. Tools like Zillow and Redfin are great for pulling comps. For example, if three similar homes in the area sold for $250,000, $260,000, and $255,000, you can estimate the ARV of your property to be around $255,000. Next up is estimating repair costs. This is where many wholesalers struggle, but with practice, you can become accurate and confident. Walk through the property, or get photos if you're working remotely, and note everything that needs to be fixed or updated. Cosmetic repairs like paint and flooring are usually easy to estimate, but major repairs like a new roof or foundation work require a closer look. If you're unsure, consult a contractor or use repair cost guides available online. The key is to overestimate slightly to give yourself a buffer. For example, if you think repairs will cost $20,000, budget for $25,000 just to be safe. Now let's talk about the 70% rule. This is a popular formula used by wholesalers and investors to determine how much they should offer on a property. The rule states that your maximum allowable offer, or MAO, should be 70% of the ARV minus repair costs. Let's break that down with an example. If the ARV is $255,000 and repairs are estimated at $25,000, you'd calculate 70% of $255,000, which is $178,500. Then subtract $25,000 in repairs, leaving you with a maximum offer of $153,500. This ensures that the investor who buys the property from you still has room to make a profit. One important thing to remember is that the 70% rule is a guideline, not a hard and fast rule. In competitive markets, you might need to adjust your offer to 75% or even 80% of ARV to stay competitive. On the flip side, in slower markets, you might aim for 65% of ARV to give yourself a bigger margin. Analyzing deals takes practice, but the more you do it, the faster and more confident you'll become. Start by running the numbers on properties you're not even planning to wholesale. This will help you refine your skills without the pressure of closing a deal. And that's it for today's episode. Remember, understanding ARV, repair costs, and the 70% rule is the key to analyzing deals like a pro. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching Conversation to Close, and I'll see you next time, where we'll talk about building rapport and negotiating with sellers. Until then, keep hustling and stay focused on your goals. Take care.